Okay, so remember for these types of problems, you're going to be doing the quadratic formula. So I wrote the quadratic formula down over here, and I went ahead and labeled all of our parts A, B, and C. But remember, I like to do the discriminant part first, so let's just go ahead and get right into that. So the B is -5, and that's going to be squared minus 4 times the A of 3 times the C of 1. And we're just going to kind of work this out. So -5 squared is positive 25. 4 times 3 times 1 is 12, so this is like 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12 is 13. So it turns out that there is not a negative here. So we actually do have a, we're not going to have an imaginary answer or a complex answer. But that is our discriminant. So when we go back to our quadratic formula, we got, x equals negative. Remember, the b is already -5, so that's going to turn to a positive. Plus or minus square root 13 over 2 times the a value, which is 3. So this is really like saying 5 plus or minus 13 over 6. Now here's the deal. You get this answer, and if you look over your answer choices, it kind of feels like it's not there. Well, it is there. You just have to recognize that you can take this and separate it into 2 fractions. Technically, what we have here is 2 fractions that already have a common denominator, so we can take a step backwards and we can think of this as 5 over 6 plus or minus square root 13 over 6. And it's not a complex solution, but the answer is still there.